Okay, so the first thing you want to do is chop up some peppers. And you have to do this fast. I'm just trying to make it go fast. Okay. I like to use multicolored peppers. Kind of make it look more beautiful. And let's chop your fingers. Hold your peppers like this with your thumb in. Thumb in, knuckles out. Worst thing worse, you cut your knuckles. So I usually cut my peppers crossways like this, and then I'll peel out the membrane. That way you save most of your peppers. Okay. Simply just pull it out. There you go. Pull it out. There you go. Okay. Now some people do this. Pull it out. But then you get all of this. And if you have this, what you can do is just cut around it. That's a little bit more time consuming, but it works. You just cut your top up. And the peppers don't have to be that thin. They can be kind of thick because they're going to cook down anyway, so it doesn't really. Okay. So now we just chop up our peppers. Now we're going to chop onions. And I usually cut the top and the bottom off my onions. Then slice it down the skin. And usually the skin should come off pretty easily for that. Put it off. Comes off just like clothes. Peel the onion skin off. Okay. The onions produce this paper skin to protect it from the harmful weather conditions. So slice your onions down the middle. And then cut them lengthwise, like this. Some people know that the onion gives off a different flavor when you cut it lengthwise as opposed to when you cut it widthwise like that. It's pretty weird, but it gives off a better flavor when you cut it lengthwise. Woo! And the tears are coming. I'm cutting blind. I can't see right now. See the tears? Now, after you have your onions and your peppers all cut up and sliced, you can mix them together or you can do them separately. But now we're going to take them to the grill. So let's go over to the grill. Okay, so now everybody's not fortunate to have a grill this big, but I am. But you can also use like a pan or some kind of frying pan or something. Doesn't matter. Start with a nice and crispy looking. Now what I use Cajun Seasoning. Give it like a little spice on it. You can also use some taco seasoning, which has like all the cumin, salt, sugar, chili peppers in it, garlic. Things that make it a nice spicy fajita. There you go. But next, you want to take some chicken breasts, cut it up. Now this is about 6 pounds of chicken breast, so you don't want to make that much. Maybe just take 1 pound or 2 pounds of chicken breast, cut them in strips like this, and cut them in like little small strips. Nice tiny small strips. And then what you can do, sprinkle like a cup of cumin on it, and a cup of paprika, and mix it all together. Let it marinate for an hour. Then you have your fajita chicken. Now what we're gonna do is take it over to the grill and we're gonna cook it. Take a handful, drop it onto the grill. Since you already seasoned it and marinated it, you don't really need to even do anything with it. Let the heat do its work. Okay, so here's our fajita chicken. Nice and juicy, tender. That's how you like the fajita chicken to be. Okay. Now we're about to do the beef. Our beef is pretty much the same way. Just cut the strips. Use like a nice skirt steak. Maybe skirt steak, flat iron steak. Take about maybe 3 of those. Cut them into strips. Kind of like this. See, I'm old school. Just grab it by hand. That's about 3 pounds. Beef. That's why they call it red meat. Because it's bloody good. Okay, so here are our beef fajita with our peppers and onions on it. A nice, beautiful product. Here we go with our chicken fajitas. Same deal, looking nice and lovely. Okay, so let's set this up so it looks nice and beautiful. We'll take some chicken fajita. Nice chicken fajita right there. Some nice beef fajita. With all your fixings. At least that's how I make it. And sometimes you can take it, like overlap it like that, flip it, overlap it like that, flip it again. Looks nice. Nice Spanish rice. Always goes good with nice fajita. A little thing of black beans going right there. On the side. Get your little dippy dip. Some salsa right here. Sprinkle a little cheese on your fajitas. Really nice. And that is how you make fajitas.